Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Popsicles Gun easy method. Start by washing the mold, prepping fruit, and chilling utensils. Blend fruit with a bit of sweetener and optional yogurt until smooth. Pour mixture slowly into each gun cavity, insert sticks carefully to center, then tap to remove air bubbles. Freeze flat for several hours until solid, then unmold gently for a clean result. For best popsicle texture, chill your mixture slightly before pouring, which helps reduce separation. If using dairy, whisk to incorporate air for a creamier finish. Layer flavors by pouring in stages and freezing briefly between layers for clean bands. Add small solid pieces last so they suspend rather than sink. Label your tray so you know flavors, and give each stick a gentle twist when unmolding to ease release. Freeze time matters, so leave your popsicles overnight or until fully solid for best texture. To remove, dip the mold briefly in warm water for a few seconds to loosen edges. Pull sticks straight out while holding the mold base to steady the shape. If a pop breaks, refreeze remnants to reuse as mix-ins. Store finished pops in an airtight bag to avoid freezer burn and preserve flavor and color.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.